laughing, smiling, enjoying life. A smile can brighten up a room and let others know who you really are. But when you are not happy about the way your teeth look, you could be hiding your most valuable asset. There is no second chances for first impressions. A glowing smile will give you the confidence to go through life without hiding your teeth and covering your mouth. So what do you want that first impression to be? Go out on a date or shine your business meeting. No more embarrassing moments trying to hide your less than perfect teeth. With MegaNeers, you can stop being self-conscious about your smile. MegaNeers are ultra-thin veneers made of state-of-the-art patented E-Max material that changes your entire appearance instantly. The smile makeover of your dreams is closer than ever before. MegaNeers transforms your smile in just 2 to 3 appointments. They will cover your stained smile, alter your crooked or chipped teeth, and give you a perfect custom smile, clinically proven to last over 20 years. Smiling should be a happy and enjoyable experience, not stressful or embarrassing. And now, thanks to MegaNeers, you don't have to hide anymore or endure painful and lengthy procedures to alter your teeth. Unlike traditional veneers, MegaNeers are as thin as a contact lens, which allows your dentist to place them over your existing teeth without having to remove valuable tooth structure. This is the perfect permanent solution for stained, chipped, discolored, or misaligned teeth. Traditional, thicker dental veneers require the removal of large amounts of healthy tooth structure in order to make the veneers fit, which can compromise the structural integrity of a patient's smile in the process. It can even get placed over existing crown or bridge work without having to replace them. And you don't have to wear temporaries. MegaNeers are bonded to your natural teeth, which make them incredibly strong, allowing them to resist wear and remain resilient to last over 20 years. If you are looking to create that perfect smile, MegaNeers offers the best cutting-edge technology to give you the smile of your dreams. Many countries from all over the world, such as United Kingdom, Sweden, and United States, are already using this patented technology and applying this technique in their clinics. So, there is no need to worry about the results. MegaNeers will make your teeth look perfect. MegaNeers can change the color, size, or shape of your natural teeth while still appearing naturally radiant. And if you change your mind, they are also reversible since your natural tooth structure is still intact. Everybody deserves to feel confident about their smile, and MegaNeers are the safe and effective solution to improving your appearance without painful tooth drilling. Smile again, be confident, and start living the smile of your dreams with MegaNeers. Ask your dental professional today about MegaNeers and change your smile forever. Go to www.mega-teeth.com to learn more about this pain-free, drug-free, hassle-free procedure and look at more of before and after pictures of happy and satisfied patients. Smile again. MegaNeers, a perfect smile, a new you.